This is the most basic and important Arduino project, the LED Blink test. In this video, you will learn how to blink an LED using Arduino. Here are the components you need: an Arduino Uno board, an LED, a resistor, and jumper wires. Connect the LED to digital pin 13. Always use a resistor to protect the LED. Open the Arduino IDE and select the correct board and port. This is the Arduino LED Blink code. At the top, you can see a detailed description of the project and wiring. Pin 13 is set as an output. The LED turns on, waits 1 second, and then turns off. This loop runs continuously. Upload the code to the Arduino board. If everything is correct, the LED will start blinking. The LED Blink test confirms that your Arduino and wiring are working properly.